Each resource has two rows on the schedule, the booking area and the availability bar. The availability bars are a unique feature which calculate how much free time your resources have available, so you can see at a glance who's free and who's fully booked. You'll also see any overtime highlighted here in red, which means you can keep tabs on your team's workload. The availability bars are hidden by default. You can turn them on or off by clicking this icon. You can set the normal availability of your individual resources over in the resources section. This is the availability that repeats on a weekly basis. Sometimes though, you might need to book somebody outside of their normal working hours, for example, on the weekend. By clicking and dragging on the availability bar, you can create an availability exception. If you're making the same change to more than one day, select which days you want the change to apply to just here.